Hi friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, simple oven baked chicken wing, perfect for any special occasion. So friends, in today's video I will share with you the simplest way or you can easily put this recipe together in little time. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. 2 pounds of wings, thoroughly clean. First thing first, you want to go ahead with a bit of oil. Curb and blend green seasoning, basically a mixture of thyme, pepper, garlic. Anything that you enjoy using, you certainly can blend it up and you get that lovely seasoning. Next, a bit of mustard. And also you want to go right ahead and add your favorite seasoning, which can be of choice. So friends, when it comes to taste and flavor, you can also prep your ingredients overnight, of course. It makes a big difference. So friends, once fully mixed, you want to go ahead and set aside for 20 minutes. So friends, for your easy convenience, I will go right ahead and leave a full list of ingredients and the measurement below so you can always check it out. So friends, for our latest content, be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook, and be sure to like. So friend, this recipe makes it perfect in between game time. So friends, after fully marinate and set aside, next for easy cooking, I will just go right ahead and place them on a sheet rack at 350 degrees, 45 minutes. So friends, here we are. Looks amazing. After 15 minutes, I'm just gonna give them a quick flip and place them back in the oven. So friends, here we are. Simple oven baked chicken wing. Perfect for any special occasion, especially game time. So friends, I hope you give this delicious recipe a try, and also feel free to leave me any question you may have below.